time is a social institution and not a physical reality. There is, in other words, no such thing as time. There is such a thing as rhythm, but time as such is a social institution.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's been a weekend. Yesterday, when I got back from work, I was so exhausted. I had a quiz that I had to do. I did that. And then we ordered pizza, and that was good. So today is kind of like a catch-up day. I just want to get things done. I really want to switch out my fall or like my summer stuff because it is cold this morning. Like, hey Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Calgary, it's 7 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 18 and a low of 6. By the way, if you'd ever like to hear a summary of your day, just say, good morning.
But yeah, so I am going to make my bed. Y'all, I really want to get Starbucks. I want a pumpkin cream cold brew or whatever it's called. But I want to try the apple flat white because apparently it tastes like an apple pie. And I love me some apple pie or just apple desserts basically in general. So yeah, I just got clean and I am going to change into a comfy outfit and get to making my bed, and then we're gonna do my to-do list and go from there. I do have a Zoom call that I have to hop in at 10. It's 7, so yeah. I want this drink, but I don't know if I want it hot or I want it cold. Okay, I'll order the drink later because I don't feel like driving right now, but I'm gonna change and hopefully get this day started. I'm so tired, but we'll get through it. This is body work. So I decided that since it's like really cold, cozy day, that I am going to make some protein French toast because I'm in the mood. I don't feel like doing all that I usually do for my breakfast, which is a lot of steps. So far my mix is a little bit lumpy, but I'm gonna move you over here because the lighting is better. So far this is what I have. I'm just trying to mix this until it's all smooth. Okay, so I have been making my French toast for a while and I've pretty much used a whole loaf of bread, which is not good, but at least I have like breakfast prepped for a few days because I really don't feel like making breakfast for my 8:30 classes. Like, I could wake up at 5. I'm probably gonna wake up at 5 anyways, but I don't feel like cooking that early. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. So watching my girl Adwoa Asante, just watching on my phone because I didn't feel like bringing my computer down here. Honestly, she inspired me to start vlogging my uni process because she's also an accounting major. So if you don't know her, what are you doing? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Okay, I think I'm on the last slice. I think it should be. Well, I guess not. There's still a little bit. Less slices. Bro, I used up the whole loaf of bread. Oh, that's so bad. At least we got 3, because that's a lot. And like, okay, my family really doesn't eat that much bread anyways. Like, I eat bread every single day. Like, no exaggeration. I literally eat bread all day, every day. Breakfast, 2 slices. Lunch, depends on what I'm making, but like when I'm making my little chicken sandwich, I use bread because carbs are life. So this was full. It's just the butt of the bread now. Let's just hope my mom doesn't yell at me. She shouldn't. So I have to get my Instagram post or whatever. So I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take 2 for now. Got some syrup, and I'm gonna continue watching my Adwoa Asante vlog. And I think after my Zoom call, I'm going to go to Starbucks and get my drink. And then later today, we're gonna make the apple fritters.
You're writing in that way?
This stuff, seriously, so good. I've made this 3 times, and it's so good each and every time. I'm gonna get my Starbucks right now because your girl is tired.
What are those?
Okay, guys, I just got my drink, and honestly, I don't care if anyone looks at me because I'm just not in the mood. But like, okay, I need to figure out. Put you here. That's a little bit better, but y'all, this thing smells so good. Like, not okay. It's weird. Like, if I sniff it directly, it doesn't smell that good. This is garbage. Okay, that's a little bit better. Like, if I smell it directly, it doesn't smell super good, but like, it's just like it like wafting in the air. It smells so good. So I'm gonna do a taste test. This is good. It's not like an apple pie, but it's good. It kind of tastes like candy, and I'm not mad about that. So I'm going to head home and just get a few things done before my Zoom call, and then we'll go from there. So I was trying to clean up, and I spilt my drink. Like, I felt that I knocked something over, but I didn't think it was anything important. Now, why am I zoomed in? I'm gonna wait and then charge my computer. That's that's fun. Okay, so y'all, so I'm about to do my transitional thing where I take my fall clothes and put them back into my closet. I have a feeling that a bunch of them won't fit because they're pretty old. I don't recognize, oh, okay. I was gonna say, I don't recognize some of these things, but So done switching my clothes over. I will organize the closet later. I am hot, I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat my lunch and then we're gonna tackle the stuff on my bed because it's a lot. And then I'm gonna bake later today because it's only like 12. I have a long time, lots of time. So, what is this? Oh. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat and then we'll get to cleaning.